Hi, and welcome back from spring break. So let's go over what we're doing this week. So we're gonna go ahead and scroll on down, and we're gonna open up week 9, which is the second part of our interview project. So the first thing you're gonna do is conduct an interview. We said, you might want to go ahead and arrange this. So you're gonna be using the questions that you wrote that are due on Tuesday. So if you haven't done those questions yet, go ahead and get those done. We'll give you some feedback. So you're going to use those questions that you did for week 8. And you want to just go ahead and schedule an interview. It should only be maybe 5-10 minutes long. You're going to go through those questions, listening to someone's answers about a topic that's in your discipline area or that's part of your LA assignment. So again, these are content-based questions. I've done questions before on how students understand density and asking questions about density. So there's lots of different ways you can do. But you're going to want to be asking those questions that are about a topic in your discipline. Once you've conducted the interview, you can either do it audio only or you can do video and audio. And you're going to want to go ahead and upload that. And here is the link for uploading. Again, those interviews should be about 5-10 minutes long. You're going to upload or submit a link. Like if you have yours in a Google Drive or something like that, you can just give us the link to it. And you're going to want to make sure that you write really good notes after you have done your interview, because we're going to write a 2-page paper later on the interview process, and you'll want those notes to refer to. You don't have to turn in the notes. These are for you, but it'll help you if you write those notes now. All right, so you're going to want to upload that interview by Tuesday, March 28th. And to reflect on the interview process, you're going to pick one of these 3 options. Now, any of these options will earn you the credit for the reflection this week. So do whichever one most interests you and fits your schedule. So option 1, we're going to have a synchronous Zoom session that's going to be on Monday the 27th from 5 to 5:30 p.m. Here is the link to access that. And if you want to, you can also do the passcode. So that's option 1. Do a Zoom call for half an hour. Option 2, come on over to Williams Science Center, and on Tuesday the 28th from 12:30 to 1, we'll be in Science 108, which is on the first floor on the west side of the building. And it would be lovely to get to meet you in person. So that is option 2. And then option 3 is there's an asynchronous discussion board that you can upload a posting to. And I'm going to show you where that is. So again, here are your 3 options. Synchronous discussion, link, just come, a reminder. And then here is that asynchronous discussion board. And these are what you're going to want to talk about, these 3 ideas, when you post to that discussion board. Remember, this interview project, all of it is about 20% of your grade in this class because we really want you to engage deeply with it. And usually students have a pretty fun time with this as they sort of go through the interview process and getting to learn how other people think about a topic. So if you have any questions about what you need to do this week or how to attend one of the options, please let Dr. Sabella or myself know. Ask Daisy any questions you've got. And we look forward to listening to your interviews. Thanks so much.